Exceptional 2 rooms, Sebelum ni stay Bayu Lagun 3 rooms, HotelATG nak 2 rooms rumah selesa, thumbs up emoji, kuma kami anak ramai, lagi selesa 3 rooms. Exceptional Berboy and Mira. Amazing room. The room is clean and neat. A convenient room for a family of 4. The room is spacious and has everything that you need. It has 4 tickets for swimming. Overall, I am really satisfied with the service. Thank you. Services, good services. So cozy and entertaining. The apartment was so cool, so cozy, complete facilities, maybe need a bit maintenance. But the best part is free for access to water park and kids love it so much. Worth the money. Worth it, precious. Recommended apartment was nice, cleans and comfort. Facility and location: the homestay with complimentary water park ticket. Clean and relaxed to stay for a night. Location also east access and near to Ayer Keroh. Best bilik bersih. Apartment sangat selesa, dapat free 4 ticket water park. Everything is good, will definitely recommend to family and friends. Clean and neat, large apartment and SA to communicate. Nice experience, nice service and friendly customer care. Apartment Lewis and Bersih boleh order lagi next time. Exceptional terbaik, bilik bersih kalam pun bersih. Pasti repeat lagi next time. Cozy for family stay recommended, cozy for family stay, clean and nice staff. Good facilities, good for family trip. Exceptional. Easy check-in and check-out. Apartment pun okay, kuma bersimit. Free 4 ticket UK water park. So far so good. Recommended for short vacation. Excellent customer service. The owner, very friendly and accommodating. The unit, not a new unit but was very clean. Water park, small yet fun for kids.